The Python Wave program we put together as basically a way to start to get students engaging with each other.
You have to reinstall.
It's cool to come here and have people who are in the same field as you, and you're kind of surrounded by people who think the same way that you do.
By building up these students working together, that's really setting up that peer-to-peer learning, which is going to help tremendously compared to just listening to an instructor in a lecture environment.
A lot of people consider computer science majors as really introverted and just in a dark room on their computer by themselves. But it's really a very collaborative field because you can't really do one thing all on your own. Think of the iPhone, no one person could make that,
They will all be values of increments of 105.
I'm just sensing less anxiety in class, particularly when it gets towards the time that projects are due. Students know that they have somewhere they can go and somebody that they can talk to bounce ideas off of.
It's the first semester and already we're hearing students say they're getting stuck less on projects if they come to these sessions and work with each other. If they hit a roadblock, it seems like somebody else maybe has an analogy to help them get around that roadblock, a different way of explaining the concept.
It has to install with the dash, but you have to import with the underscore.
I took CIS 162 last semester, so I can help the CIS 162 students with their project, and then the tutors can help me with my project, and we kind of just all collaborate, so it's all one big brain mesh.
I had a student tell me that she learned a particular concept, that she didn't really get it in class, but that she got to Python Wave and the tutor was able to explain it to her using a meme. And I would have never thought to have done something like that. So it feels like our students are able to, in some ways, sometimes reach other students in ways that I can't.
Far into their careers, computing professionals learn from others. By setting up this community-based learning, this peer instruction, we're hoping to connect students together, get them talking with each other, and connecting these aha moments together.
I think Python Wave is a really good opportunity to meet people who are like you and talk to people who are like you and get help and help others and just really be a part of the community here at Grand Valley in computer science.